Some racket has been busted by Goa Police. What is the details?
See, it was a joint effort of Kolwale PI Vijay and Kalangut police station team under Paresh. Basically what happened was like this month, 23rd of this month, there was an FIR registered in Kolwale. This may one victim girl came and told the police like she was being raped by a person from non-Goan person, and on that FIR we had registered, and also on that complaint we had registered an FIR, and accused was arrested. The inspector in charge of the Kolwale police station, Mr. Vijay, he actually started investigating deep into the case, and when he found out that these people, this complainant, this case may complainant, she is appearing to be complainant in different matters. She is complainant in another case which was registered in anti-human trafficking, and she is basically a Gujarati. So he contacted some of his friends in Gujarat Police, and Gujarat Police also conveyed that these same persons are complainant in different FIRs. Then at the same time we got a complaint. In the morning we got a complaint from a businessman from Pune saying that this same set of people actually had extorted money from him, saying that they will accuse him in a rape case. So immediately we found out that these people are doing multiple FIRs in Gujarat and Goa, and we registered based on the complaint of that businessman. We registered FIR. We have arrested 2 ladies and 1 man who are actually running a racket extorting businessman, saying that they will be arrested. They will be arrested under the rape law. Saying that they were raped by these women, were raped by this businessman. So now after we started investigating, we found out that they are actually victims in Kolwale. There are 2 cases in Goa and 2 cases in Gujarat, and in one more case in Gujarat, one of the lady victims which is accused, which we arrested today, she is also a witness in a rape case. So prima facie it looks like these people are running a racket, and we actually registered an FIR, and since they are required for custodial interrogation, we have arrested, and we will tomorrow produce before the.
How many persons are arrested?
We have arrested 3 people, 2 women and 1 man.
Sir, can you give me the details of at least male person?
The male name is Mr. Vishwadeep Gohil. Vishwadeep Gohil. He is from Bhavnagar, Gujarat.
And sir, how many fake FIR has been registered so far? What is revealed?
A number of FIRs registered is like 2 FIRs are registered in Goa, and 1 they tried to misuse the system. So there are 3, basically 2 registers, 2 FIR and 1 complaint. And in Gujarat, as of now, we got 2 FIRs in which both these victims are involved, and 1 more FIR in which one of the victims, one of the accused now, has acted as a witness in that case. So total 5 cases and 1 complaint.